Right, chaps, nice little brain teaser for you today. Now, I found a video on the internet where a chap's got a computer fan and a few of these magnets out of hard drives. And apparently he shows on the video, right, when they're on there, 4 of those, that the thing spins on its own, unaided. Well, I thought I'd verify that to see if it's actually possible or not. Shall we have a look? Yeah, you want to cut these wires as short as possible, because you won't be needing that, but providing they don't short out. Yeah, just push them out of the way or pull them out, but you might wreck the board if you just yank it. This one, I have yanked it out, but luckily it's not shorted. Yeah, that's it. So, I guess we just want 4 magnets and this thing's going to spin, yeah? We'll see. Right, well, I'm going to stick these magnets on exactly the same way, yeah? So I'm going to put this one on the side there, one on the bottom, one on the other side, yeah? There's one magnet taped on, yeah? Here's the other one, there's nothing underneath. Oh, I don't want to do that. There's nothing in that box whatsoever. Look, up in the air. I bet you guys don't believe it, do you? Well, explain that one then, gents. Come on, brains. Well, I guess you want to know how that works then, eh? That's a long ways. Get that just right. Well, I guess you guys want to see how I actually got that to spin using these magnets, perhaps in a bit more detail. As you know, I don't do bullshit on this channel, I tell it as it is. This is how I did it. Right, there's 2 things making this fan go. The first slippery little trick, right, yeah, fair enough, the magnets. Right, let's take this off. All these little tricks revealed, eh? Are you ready? Look at that. Tasty little 6-volt power supply. Who'd have thought it, eh? So basically, these button cells, look, they fit in there. And the magnet goes over the top and you can't even see it. How slippery is that? So, if you see these on the internet, clearly they're fake. And 2 of these 3-volt batteries piled on top of each other in there. And of course, magnet on the top. You can't see any of it really, can you, eh? Well, that's quite convincing, isn't it? And obviously now it's got a 6-volt power supply, but it's not running. Why is that then, I wonder? Do I have a look why? Shall we have a look? Come on, brains. Guesses. Power supply's at the top there. 6 volts goes in here, look. Alright. So why is it when we put a magnet there, it starts? When we take the magnet away, it stops. Well, it's been photonic induction. Have a close look at this, look. Little reed switch. I'm sure you know what those are. When you put a magnet near those, well, actually nowhere near it. You can be quite some distance away on them. That opens and closes. Let's see if I'll be able to get on that. Of course, if I kept disconnecting this magnet, you'd see the batteries on it. So I disconnect at the bottom, you can't see the batteries. But that's how it's triggered on and off. Well, I guess it's one thing, isn't it? Getting the fan to spin, using your magnets, your fan, maybe a battery or two. But what about if we want real power coming out of it? Then obviously that would verify it, wouldn't it? Because obviously a couple of little button cells can't light up a 40-watt light bulb. So we see how we got on. Apparently, if we arrange them in a sequence, the thing, oh, here's the wires, by the way. And pop that in there. And might have to give it a bit of a spin, I'm not sure. Ah, there we go. Right, so the fan's running, but what's the point of that? That's just running itself. It's only any good, isn't it, if you actually get some power out of it. So hopefully there'll be a tiny bit on this light bulb. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's the old connector. Don't want that in it. How about that then? Silent. Right chaps and ladies, I'm off. Thanks for watching.